Hey, good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are we all doing? Are we all doing all right? Yeah, you are? You sure? You really sure? Okay, good. That's what I like to hear. It's my lunch break, so I'm doing a quick video whilst I can. I'm doing the last of my November American beauty boxes. I know, finally I got there. So the ones I'm doing today are my Ipsy Glam bags for November. I do have two accounts with Ipsy. So I get from one account, which is in my beauty profile, I get the Ipsy Glam bag and the Ipsy Glam bag plus. And on the Ipsy Glam bag X month, I will get the Ipsy Glam bag X. On the other account, I've used my daughter's profile. So my daughter's now 22 and I put her beauty profile in there. So her beauty profile is that, you know, she's got younger skin, combination skin, much lighter skin to tone than me, different type hair. So she's got looser curly hair. She doesn't wear so much makeup. She's more saying that though, she's steadily getting into it now. She's getting into that kind of quite trendy style doing makeup, that big eyeliners that go sort of up there and around there, sort of, I don't know, all this kind of stuff. And she wears bright lipsticks. She doesn't do brows, but she just does the eyeliners and she'll do lipstick, and that's it. Those are her two main things. And sometimes she'll put a little bit of eyeshadow on, but eyeliner in very interesting designs and bright lipstick, that seems to be my daughter's thing at the moment. Right, so those are two profiles. With Ipsy Glam bag costs $13, but you got the $1.99 handling fee, so let's call it $15, which works out to about £13 in our money. So it's very similar to what our Birchbox bag used to be, but there is no longer any more Birchbox. So this is my new sample bag now. You'll get 5 deluxe sample size products in there. Occasionally you'll get a full size item, but the full size item isn't going to be anything big. It'll be like a singular brush, or it might be a sheet mask or something like that. But most of the time it's deluxe sample size products in there. And we get to make one choice, so we can choose one item inside the bag. Right, are we ready? Okay, let's go. So if you remember, this is November, so we are going back a bit here. So it's November. I printed out the information because I'm using my mobile phone now. So obviously whilst I'm filming, I can't access information. I can't access my app to see all the information. So I printed it all out beforehand. So I've got a rough idea of what's going on. Okay, here we are. Here's the first bag. It's a Glam bag, $13, 5 items. And there's nothing in here. Nope. Okay, right. So this was the design in November. It's actually quite nice, sort of leopard print with the orange going on there. And then you've got your little tag with Ipsy written on there. So I've got to make sure I'm holding things up in front of the actual camera on my phone, because I've noticed in some of my previous videos, I think I'm holding something up for you to see and it's way off camera and you can't see the details. Right, let's dip in. Well, let's see what we got. So let's put out the first thing. Okay, yeah, this would probably have been maybe a choice item. I'm not sure. So this is Marc Anthony Coconut and Sheer Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. My daughter does like this brand. This is actually a very affordable brand and you can get it here in the UK. You've got to, well, how I've seen it online. I don't know if it's in stores, so in any beauty supply stores or anything like that, but I've seen it online. It's not an expensive brand, but it's decent quality products with decent ingredients. So it does kind of show that you can get decent ingredients in hair products which don't cost a fortune. Haven't seen this brand in sort of the big retail stores like, I don't know, Boots and Superdrug, but it is available. And lots of people like it, all different hair types like it, but usually people who have got curls. So it's a kind of a curly girl product. So let's find the details on it. Okay, right. So what we have here, make sure I'm holding this up. So it's the Marc Anthony Coconut and Sheer Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. We've got a 1.69 fluid ounce deluxe sample. And what it does, it handles split ends, frizz, dryness, breakers and NBD. What the hell's NBD? I don't know what NBD is. Is this some new language again? Oh god, I tell you, I can't keep up with these young people's language. I really can't. It's like the other day, I only discovered the other day what SMH meant, and that shook my head. I didn't know that. Anyway, this leave-in conditioner can help you. Oh, I didn't print this very well. I'm assuming it says detangle it all. It's made of ultra nourishing coconut oil, shea butter to moisturize strands and boost shine, no matter what your hair type. So you comb a small amount through dry or damp hair from roots to ends. If your hair is, I don't know, it says if your hair is, and I'll cut off the rest there, so I don't know what it says. But keep the product from your ears down. More reasons why you'll love it. You won't find any parabens, sulfates or phthalates here. And Mark Anthony is a company that is committed to delivering high quality products that produce salon-like results. This brand is has road tested its products by professional stylists, so you know it really works. Okay, so there you go. So that's the first item. This could be my daughter's bag actually. Go and buy this. So that's the first item in the bag. Next, what is this? Oh yes, I was really shocked when I saw this eyeshadow. I was like, what kind of combination is this? And I think I've got it in both Glam bags as well. So look at this, look at these colours. What do you think of these colours? I mean, that blue is really bright, and then you go with that brown. It's like a browny red colour. I mean, I don't know, what do you think? I'm not sure how I'd wear those colours, but you know, I'll give it a go, but I'm not sure how I'll wear them. So let me get the information up. Right, Luna Magic. So again, this is a deluxe sample, so it's not the full size. It's an eyeshadow. This dynamic eyeshadow duo gives you the best of both worlds. Friend is your reliable brown staple shade, so that shade there is called Friend. That can be worn every day, while Monaco makes a statement with royal blue, reigning supreme on any queen or king. So again, apply one or both shades of these shades using a shadow brush or your fingers. More reasons why you'll love it. The buttery soft eyeshadows are cruelty-free and vegan. So let me just do swatches of these colours. Okay, so that would be a good base colour actually, sort of transition colour, crease colour. That's all right actually, it's not a bad colour at all. And then we've got this bright blue. I have to admit, this blue is not a colour that I like. There are some blues I just don't like, but that is not bad actually. That's not bad. I can see how the two colours could be worn. Right, so I will keep this one. I'll see if my daughter wants to use it. If not, I will keep it and play with it. And the other one that I've got, because I'm pretty certain there's another one in the other Glam bag, I'll probably put that in a giveaway, so one of you guys can play with it. Yeah, we don't need two of them, do we? Right, here we go. Here's the other product. So this is product number 2. And this looks like a blush. That looks like a blush, doesn't it? Right, let's get the information on it. Right, so yet again, this is a deluxe sample and it's a blush. Get cheeks that pop with a flush of colour when you use this glow getting blush. It's infused with next generation hydro charged ingredients and light reflecting particles that help give you an irresistible rose gold colour on your cheeks with a radiant finish. So dust it over apples off your cheeks and blend upwards towards your temples. More reasons why you'll love it. It's like a highlighter and blush in one. So it's one of those combination products. About the brand, Formula Z was founded by teen makeup artists, so it's teenagers thing. Formula Z believes that makeup should be all-inclusive, empowering and a form of self-expression for everyone, regardless of age, gender, sexual orientation or race. So it's going to have a bit of shimmer to it. So let me get a clean finger. There we go. Let's do a swatch. I'm pretty certain this is a repeat product in the other Glam bag as well. Let's do this here. Okay, so yes, it is like a blush and highlighter at the same time. Okay, if there is 2 of these, I will put the other one in the giveaway as well. Okay, so that's the 3rd product. So it's good though. 2 makeup items and 1 hair item. What else we got here? Ah, yes, candles. Yes, this was the choice item. So I chose candles for both Glam bags actually, because you know me, I love a candle. So we've got a candle here. The brand is Juicy Couture and it's Honeybee, and it's a fine fragrance soy candle. Okay, yeah, so this is definitely a choice item. So let's open this up. Honeybee, is that the fragrance? That's what it looks like. Oh, that's nice. I'm holding it up like you can smell it, but it does. It smells nice. It's rather, I can't smell any honey in it. It's actually quite florally. It's not sweet, but it's definitely a floral scent. It's a pleasant scent. I like that. So it's deluxe sample. So take your relaxation, self-care or bath time to the next level with a stylish and divinely scented candle from Juicy Couture. The moment you light it, the delightful aroma of pink florals, yeah, juicy fruits, I can't smell the fruits in it actually, and white woods will fill the room and your senses with a sweet, unforgettable scent. Remove the lid from the candle, light the wick and enjoy the yummy scents as it burns. You'll love it even more because it looks like the perfect stylish accessory on your table, mantle, or anywhere you place it. Juicy Couture, the brand, creates stylish and iconic clothing, accessories, products that help you unleash your inner diva. It has some good reviews. Lots of people have given it 5 out of 5. One here saying, love this, the size, the packaging and the smell is perfect. Another person says, absolutely obsessed in capital letters. The cutest little candle. This person says, it smells amazing. Juicy is one of my favourite scents and I just love this cute candle. Okay, cool. So that's this one. So that's a Juicy Couture. And I know in my bag, this is definitely my daughter's bag, I can tell. I know in my bag, I think I picked the pink one. So that's cool. So we've got 4 items there. So we've got a hair, 2 makeup and a candle. And this is the final item, which is, I don't know what this is. Let's have a look. Okay, my bag now. So here we go, bag number 2. Anything in here? Nope. Okay, let's put that there. And same bag, so this is the November bag. So I seem to be one of the lucky people that actually received the bag, because sometimes what Ipsy does is that if they run out of the bags for the month, they give people one of the a bag from a previous month. So it seems like I was fortunate and I got both bags. So this bag, I'm assuming, is on my beauty profile, but we shall see. Okay, right, first item. So this is something different. This is from Barefoot Venus and it is a macadamia body cream. Yeah, this is definitely my profile. So looks good. So this is 30 milliliters and it's a deluxe sample. It's a body cream. We can't tell you what we love most about this hand cream. Oh, it's a hand cream. Oh, it says body cream here. Okay. The way it instantly treats dry or chapped skin with a combo of macadamia, nut, sesame seed and wheat germ oils. All the bright citrusy scent leaves behind. Other way, it's become our go-to hand treatment. Okay. Slather it all over your hands and body. It's all natural, vegan and cruelty-free. The brand Barefoot Venus uses old-time ingredients that provide serious skin treatments and a widely angelic experience. Okay, so it smells nice. You can smell the oils in there actually. So it's obviously got quite a bit of the oils in it because I can smell them. And it feels nice as a hand cream. This feels rich. It's not that thick, but it's definitely moisturizing. Yeah, it's definitely an interesting scent. It does smell quite natural. So it's widely angelic experience. Loved. Oh, so this person is saying, this is reviews. Loved it, even gave it 5. Smells good. Leave my skin soft, but like I said, not much in the tube. I've just done 1 squeeze and already looks like it's emptying, but it's supposed to be 30 mils. This person's given it 1 out of 5. This product appeared to have already been opened and used. Oh dear. Another person's given it 1 out of 5 as well. Tube was opened and looks like someone had already used some of their lotion and messily put the cap on it. I threw it out. I can't trust this as having been non-tampered with. Oh dear. Oh dear. All right. It's not good. Well, mine looked like it was new, so I'm fine with it. So no, I know when people give it a bad review, sort of thing. So 2 people gave it 1 out of 5 and the other one gave it 5. Okay, so we've got, here's my candle here. So my candle fragrance is Choose Juicy. Okay, I might give both of these to my daughter actually, because I've got plenty of full size big candles. Oh, I can't open it. Right, here we go. Okay, yeah, this is more. What does it smell like? It's a scent I recognize. But yeah, these are all soy candles. It's a scent I definitely recognize. I'm trying to think what it is. It's not like the other one, so it's a completely different scent. It is fruity. I'd say this is more fruity than floral compared to the other, which to me was more floral than fruity. So I've got a candle there as well. Don't need to read you the information. Then I've also got the blush. So I've got the same blush. Yeah. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway bag because we don't need two of them. So I'll put that in a giveaway bag. And then what else have we got here? So that's 4. And then, oh, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4, 5, I can't count. So I've got the blush again. So I've got the same, not blush, I've got the same eyeshadow. So I'm going to put this eyeshadow in the giveaway as well. So that's 2 items I'm going to add to the giveaway. And then I've also got the serum as well. And is it the same one? Yeah, it's the same serum. So I'm also going to put that in the giveaway bag as well. So 3 of these items, because they're duplicates, I'm going to put them in a giveaway. And the other 2, I'm going to keep the hand cream and I'm going to give the candle to my daughter. So those are my Ipsy Glam bags for November. They're all right. They're okay. $15. I think that's worth it. I mean, it's about 10, 11. It's about, I think it's nearer to £11 our money if we're going to sort of add cost to it. So it's about £11. I'm fine with that. Totally fine with that. I don't add my shipping cost to the price of the Glam bags because they are so little. I don't add my sort of £12 shipping cost to it. So I share the shipping cost amongst the bigger bags, boxes. So that's why it's £12 for those. But these ones, I haven't added any additional shipping. Hope that makes sense because they are such little bags. So yeah, I think my 5 items are okay. So I've got the serum, face serum, which I will probably end up using for my daughter's one. We've got another one of the blush. We've got the candle. We've got well, they're saying it's a body cream, but in the information they're saying it's a hand cream. And I also got the other one of the, oopsie daisy, and I also got the other one of the eyeshadow. Right, so the eyeshadow, the blush and the serum, I'm going to put those 3 into my giveaway bag. Okay, so that's my Ipsy Glam bags for November. I think they were fine. Videos I intend on doing next, over the next week. So I've got some I've got some I've got some mystery boxes from BOXYCHARM behind me. So I'll try and do those over the weekend. And then I am going to do a video of what my favourite items were, which I've received over January. So I'll do a video about that. And then I'll probably do a video applying some of my items which I've received over January on my face. So those are the next videos coming up. And you might be able to see, I don't know if you can see it, but I have on my eyes eyeshadows from that Dominic Cosmetics palette, which I received in my one of my BOXYCHARMs, I think it was one of my BOXYCHARM base box or premium boxes for November. But I've got that eyeshadow one, and that blue is stunning, absolutely stunning. All right guys, take care. I will see you soon. Cheerio.